Welcome back to Gordo's Backyard Tinkers. I've been meaning to put a video on, you guys. A couple of people asked me about doing timing chains on a VE VZ. This is a SV6 with a LY7, 2008 model VE. Picked it up rather cheap, but it's got a problem with timing chains. So we're actually going to we'll put a kit in them. Now, we were using Mace kits from Queensland, but they've changed their brand. They're using, I don't know, Chinese, German sort of kit, and they're just not really all that crash hot, I don't think, with the kits they're providing at the moment. So Mace is a no-go now, but we've retired to a genuine kit. And for about $700, it wasn't a bad kit. It comes with heaps of nuts and bolts and bits and pieces and all the stuff you're going to need, which we'll go into detail a bit later on the second video. Now, just to start off, pretty much give you a rundown. What we're going to do is I've taken the airbox out, top of the airboxes. All this airbox is going to come out, and then we're going to start stripping top hose, fans out, because we'd obviously want to take the fans out of the way so it makes it easy to get to harmonic balancer and belt and so on and so on. So, and that's pretty much it. With these, the aircon will have to be removed out of the way so we can actually get the timing cover off. So starting from really the top and working down is plenum, injectors, rocker covers. They will come off. Obviously all your coils will come out, and then we'd pretty much just start working down. Harmonic balancer, belts, pulleys, tensioner. Front half of this wiring loom will come, but I'll do, as I said, I'll do another little video as we get a little bit more further into the strip down. So just stand by. We'll get this started, and I'll come back in with another video shortly. Cheers, guys.